Hello viewers, I welcome you to Science Board presentation, and on this platform we will discuss measurements of length. And by name, I am Eze Ambrose, Physics and Astronomy Department, University of Nigeria, Physical and Geoscience Department, Kofoko University. What is measurements? Measurements is the assignment of numbers to objects or events. Measurements consist of magnitude, dimension, and uncertainty. Measurements are used to make a definite comparison between observations to enhance precision, accuracy, and to reduce confusion. What can we use to measure length? Length can be measured using the following instruments: measuring tapes, meter rule, vernier caliper, micrometer, screw gauge. Measuring tapes and the meter rule. Measuring tapes are used to measure large distances such as length of a football pitch, length of a stadium, etc. This is a sample of a measuring tape. Now meter rules are used to measure short distances like the length of a reading table, book, etc. This is a sample of a meter rule, and the reading error of a meter rule is plus or minus 0.1 cm. Vernier calipers. Vernier calipers are used to measure much smaller lengths like diameter of a small rod, external and internal diameter of a test tube, the thickness of objects such as meter rule or plastic plates can also be used to measure external and internal diameter of a mirror. This is a sample of vernier caliper and has a reading error of 0.01 cm. Micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge can be used to measure an extremely small distance like the diameter of a pendulum bulb, the thickness of a strip of wire, etc. This is a sample and has a reading error of plus or minus 0.01 millimeter. How to read meter rule? Now meter rule is calibrated in centimeter and it reads to the nearest 0.1 cm. Each graduation of the meter rule is 0.1 cm. So let's take a sample from this. Let's read using that arrow from 0 to the end. And the first person reads the length, and the first person employed error due to parallax, and the person has a value of 2.4 cm. The second person reading from the right also employed error due to parallax, and has the value to be 2.6 cm. Then the right person that did the correct thing read it and have a value of 2.5 cm. So the reading of the meter rule from this figure 1 is 2.5, not 2.4 or 2.6 cm. So in every reading, try to avoid error due to parallax. So any measurement you measure with a meter rule has error of 0.1 cm. So from the figure 1, you have a value of 2.5 plus or minus 0.1 cm. How to read a vernier caliper? Vernier caliper has two reading scales, the main scale and the vernier scale. The main scale is calibrated in centimeter like meter rule, while the vernier scale is constructed by dividing 0.1 cm division into 10 equal parts. That means that each division of vernier scale is equals to 0.01 cm. When the vernier scale slides on the main scale, we read the vernier scale at the point it coincides perfectly with a graduation on the main scale, and the reading of the vernier caliper is the reading of the main scale plus that of the vernier scale. But if the zero of the vernier scale coincides with the zero of the main scale, the reading of the vernier caliper is 0. Let's take a reading below. Now this is the main scale of a vernier caliper, and this is the vernier scale. First of all, for us to get the reading of the main scale, we will check the last calibration from where the vernier scale starts, and this gives us a value at that point, and this is 2.5 cm. And the next thing is to check the point of coincidence between the main scale and the vernier scale, and that gives us the 7th calibration, and 7 divided by 100 will give us 0.01 cm, 0.17 cm. So this reading of the vernier caliper is 2.57 cm. Now let's take a sample again. This is the main scale and this is the vernier scale. Then the main scale reading is 4.3 cm and the vernier scale is 0.02 cm, and the reading of the vernier caliper is 4.32 cm. Another sample again